All right, we're on problem number 8 now. It says graph it, and it's 5y minus 4x equals 9. So what I'm going to do is go back to the graph paper, and I'm going to erase this over here. Again, I'm just reusing the paper over and over again. So let's write it down. And what do I got for number 8? 5y minus 4x is equal to 9. Now, they didn't say how to graph it. They just said graph the line. And to graph a line, all I just need 2 points, x and y. Now, granted, a lot of students struggle with this, and they start to pick numbers that aren't really so nice, like they pick 0. Now, by the way, I do like 0, but unfortunately, if you pick 0 for either the x or the y, you're going to get fractional answers. I'm going to try to avoid that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick what I believe to be easy values. I'm going to say the y is 1. Let me write this down. What would you get? You would get 5, if y is 1, minus 4x is equal to 9. Subtract 5 from both sides, you get minus 4x equals 4. Divide both sides by minus 4, and you get x equals minus 1. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to erase that. For the most part, I think at some point you'll be able to do some of this stuff in your head. These are really simple Diophantine equations, by the way. All right? Now, someone said, what other point would you choose? That's where things get tough, by the way. And there's many ways of doing it, but I'm kind of looking at it, and I'm going to say, let's see. I'm going to say 5 for the y. Whoops, I mean to do that. Now, I know it's a big jump in reasoning, but let's see what happens, all right? You get 25 minus 4y is equal to 9. I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides, and you get minus 16. Then I'm going to divide both sides by minus 4. You know what? I made a mistake in copy. I just noticed it. And I'm glad I did that. It gives me a chance to talk about making mistakes. 5y is 25. It's not 4y, it's 4x. Sorry about that. What I'm going to do, subtract 25 from both sides. Divide both sides by minus 4, and you get x to be 4. What I'm going to do over here, what I've always been doing, the x and y axis. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Generally speaking, you're going to be given problems where the numbers are pretty small, by the way. So there's not much counting involved. So let's put 1 point down at a time, minus 1, 1, right over here. So, 1 down on the x, 1 up on the y. The next one's going to be 4 or 5. And again, if you have graph paper like this, it's pretty easy to count on it. If it's a large amount of counting, though, it's not going to be easy. So 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got this over here. What do you do now? Get your ruler out. Make some attempt. I really mean that. Some attempt to get a line to go through those 2 points. Again, we're not looking for perfection. We're looking for something that's roughly what we're looking at, which is a line. This goes on forever in both directions, by the way. All right? So we plot the point minus 1, 1, and we plot the point 4, 5, and we graph the line through those 2 points. Thank you.